Today I will show you how to craft in Minecraft. First off, you need a log. You do that by digging down a tree, like this. Pick this up, and you get 4 planks. Put the planks like this, and you get a crafting table. When you have your crafting table, press it down and right click. And if you press on this book right here, here you get a recipe on how you craft different things. So here in the crafting table I can see, oh, for a wooden axe I need 2 sticks and 3 planks. How do I get planks? You press on this one. But if I want sticks, how do? You search up stick. 2 planks, okay. So I need planks and sticks. So I dig down these 2 trees here, these 2 logs. I put them inside here. I will make the sticks, just like they said. And I will craft it like this. If you don't know how to craft like that, you could just have the materials ready. You can press here. Then press shift and you get it down here. Now you can dig down the trees with the axe. And now you know how to craft. Thank you for watching.